AutoCAD MSVCP140.dll VC Runtime 140.1.dll error on PC. Issue: AutoCAD shows MSVCP140.dll missing, V Runtime 441.dll error, or Microsoft Visual C++ Runtime error. Step 1. Restart your PC. Close AutoCAD completely. Restart your computer properly. Try launching AutoCAD again. Step 2. Install Microsoft Visual C+ Redistributables. Download Visual C++ Redistributables. Install both x64 and x86 versions. Restart your PC after installation. Step 3. Repair Visual C++ packages. Open Control Panel, Programs. Find Microsoft Visual C++ packages. Click Modify, Repair for each version. Step 4. Update Windows. Open Windows Update Settings. Install all pending updates. Restart the system after updating. Step 5. Reinstall missing DLL files properly. Do not download random DLL files from unknown sites. Reinstall official Visual C+ packages instead. Let Windows restore the correct DLL files automatically. Step 6. Run System File Checker. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Run the command sfc/scanow. Wait for Windows to repair corrupted system files. Step 7. Reinstall AutoCAD. Uninstall AutoCAD completely. Remove leftover Autodesk files and cache. Install the latest version again. Step 8. Update graphics drivers. Open NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel software. Install latest GPU drivers. Restart your PC after installation. Step 9. Disable antivirus temporarily. Some antivirus apps quarantine DLL files. Restore blocked DLL files if detected. Add AutoCAD folder to exclusions. Step 10. Install DirectX Runtime. Download latest DirectX Runtime package. Install all required DirectX components. Restart your PC and launch AutoCAD again.